Kabir, could you grab the onions? Watch carefully, Anya.
Okay, Mommy.
Like this?
Good job.
Kabir, cut more carefully.
Okay, Mom.
I have the washed ones ready.
These peels are coming off nicely.
Perfect, Anya. All right, in go the onions.
It smells so good already.
Just wait, it gets better.
Is it almost ready?
Patience, dear.
It smells so good, Mom.
Just a little longer. Can I help? Patience, children. Almost ready.
Is this right, Mama? Yes, Anya. Stir gently.
Smells good already.
Okay, like this? Perfect. Keep going.
Such a good helper. Dinner is ready, everyone.
It smells so good, Mom.
Here you go, Anya.
Thank you.
Kabir, your plate.
Thanks, Mom.
It looks wonderful, dear.
This is so comforting.
It really is.
So warm in here.
The snow is beautiful. This soup is so warm. It's delicious.
The fire keeps it cozy.
Perfect for a snowy night.
All right, Ayanya, the kettle is on. Yay! I can't wait for the tea.
Smells good already.
Patience, child. It will be ready soon.
This tea is perfect on a night like this.
Yeah, and the stove feels so cozy.
I love watching the snow.
It is peaceful here. The snow is so peaceful tonight.
Yes, Mama. Can I help more?
Almost done here.
Good work, children. There we go. All clean.
It smells so good, Mama.
Thanks, Ayanya. I'll take it.
This is a perfect night. It is. We're all together.
I love it here.
Let's get these blankets spread out.
I'll put my bag by the window.
Grandma, are you warm enough?
Yes, dear. Just pulling my shawl.